It is better you have to fry it and you have to put salt and you have to pour water. தண்ணி ஊற்றணும். You have to pour water using the nice cup. You have to nice cup. You have to pour water. This you have to put it all time. So it is better you have to pour water. It is fried a little, then you have to pour water up to the side. So don't pour more water. தலைமுறை இருக்கணும். It also 1 spoon to 3 spoon to do more than enough. It is better you have to tie it properly, otherwise it lasts. It is better you have to tie up. You have to pour salt. It's better. எரியக்கூடாது. சாமி தான். Salt is like a Mahalakshmi. Don't say so I put the salt also at last. You have to put it. Let it be there, let it be boiled. Then you have to keep it last. கடைசியாக 5 minutes you have to keep it. 2 நிமிஷம் வச்சு விடுவோம். But you smash the tomato, let it for 5 minutes. At last you have to put this. கடைசியில் பண்ணிதான் தாங்க. Last you have to put it. So I am going to make a further I am going to make a கொலக்கட்டை also. So you have to see what கொலக்கட்டை பண்ண போகிறேன். So बनाने का सीधा प्रोसीजर. So first you have to take this and 1 cup this now you have to take it. You can take it 1 cup of this. யாரில் தமிழ் ஆள் கணக்காக இருக்குது இருக்காங்களா? So this let it be there. Tomorrow I can visit. So copy that this here to keep it here and keep it. So take this. So this is the hot water. Then you have to put it. This shouldn't be the water ice. So that in this you have to make a rangoli also like this is a snake like. அகமுடி மேல் இருக்கும் நல்ல பாம்பே உனக்கு பெயரை தெரியார் சொல்லு பாம்பே மேல் இருக்கும் தைரியமா பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே நாமம். It looks like a white snake. பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே அடியில் இருக்கும் நல்ல பாம்பே பெயரை தெரியார் சொல்லு பாம்பே அழகமா தைரியமா விளையாடு பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே. So you cannot so this more this. It's better you have to put it all. Put the salt also you have to put it. And salt you have to put it. You have to சொல்லு பாம்பே தைரியமாடு பாம்பே. Let it make it 1.5 2 1 you take. I think it will be correct. பாம்பே விளையாடு பாம்பே கொலக்கட்டை. Series of more water is there, so question come. Whenever you make anything, you have to put it properly, then only it will come. Correct வரும். It is better you have to make everything correctly, then only it will come. So then put it down. So now whenever we are making this, it must be come to our hand. So I think that 2:1 is good, I think. Either else this I am going to make it making a sweet. This is for yours to make it. I think that it is better you have to make it a bit. It is better you have to change it to big vessel, so it will be very easy. So it is better you have to make this ஒட்டதான் வேணும். Things that you are having. adjust anything. If you have kept, if suppose if you kept more water, so it is better you have to keep a Koduma mav. Heat for you have to keep it in adjust. So it is better you have to keep it. You have to mix it properly so that all must be mixed, and you have to put a little kali mirch also. You have to put a little kali mirch. We have to keep a you have to put a hing. Where is the hing? So I'm going to keep a sweat dressing. So I have to keep a hing also. So it is then you have to don't change it. So if you are not able to, that is better. You have to use in the hand. You have to இருக்கிற புஞ்சு எடுக்கணும், காட்டு எடுக்கணும். காலையில் எடுத்துகிட்டு ஒரு வயசானவர் வேலை பார்க்க முடியல. ஸோ keep a masala powder. You have to keep it. In the just masala powder is already taken, so only it is